Hey guys, welcome to today's video. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make your profile image more private on WhatsApp. Now, if you want to have limited people viewing your profile image on WhatsApp, this is what you need to do. Now, go ahead and open your WhatsApp. Now, if you have your WhatsApp open, go ahead and click on this three-dotted icon right here and go to the settings area. Now, you are going to notice where it says privacy. Click on privacy. Now, you are going to see where it says profile image for everyone. On default, it's set to everyone. So go ahead and edit this by clicking on that option. Now, you can now choose who views your profile image. You can say nobody, and you can say except, you can have an except for some contact, and then you can also say only my contact can view my profile image. So whichever one you want to choose, go ahead and choose it, and it will be active. I just selected nobody. Now nobody will be able to view this image except me. So this, guys, is how to set and edit your profile image so you make it private. And now nobody else is going to be able to see it apart from me. So tell me, guys, what do you think about this particular feature? And if this video is helpful, don't forget to smash like, and I will see you guys on the next one.